Good morning children, how you all? Hope you all fine ma. Okay, in the previous class we completed exercise 2.2 A Roman completed. Now I am going to start exercise 2.2 B Roman. Okay, let us start our class. This also about the addition. They only given directly the sums we have to do addition. Okay. See the first one is that 3848 plus 5909. Children division. What is 8 plus 9 and 17? Write 7 here and 1 up. 4 plus 1, 5. 8 plus 9, again 17. Write 7 here and 1 up. So 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. See the second one, children. 6492 plus 1985. 2 plus 5, 7. 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8, 17. So write 7 here and 1 in the next place balance. 4 plus 1, 5. Or else 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. Write 4 here and 1 up. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. See the third one, children. 6980 plus 2289. 0 plus 9, 9. 8 plus 8, 16. Write 6 here and 1 up. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 2, 1. Write 2 here and 1 up. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. Like that you have to write. See the next sum, children. 8479 plus 1231. 9 plus 1. What is 9 plus 1, children? 10. Write 0 here and 1 in the next place values. So next 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 3, 9, 10, 11. So write 1 here and 1 up. Okay. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Next 8 plus 1, 9. See the next one, children, fifth one. 4698 plus 4304. What is 8 plus 4 among? 8 plus 4, 12. Write 2 here and 1 up. 9 plus 1, 10. Here 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 3, 10 again. Write 0 here and 1 up. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. See the sixth one, children. 6587 plus 6587 plus 696. 7 plus 6, 13. Write 3 here and 1 up. Next 9 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. Write 1 here, 8 here and 1 up. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 6, 6. 2 is 12. So to write 2 here and 1 up. 6 plus 1, 7. Okay. See the next one, 7th one, children. 3489 plus 5207. See here, children, 9 plus 7. What is 9 plus 7? Okay, children. See the next one in that. 9 plus 7, 16. Write 6 here and 1. 8 plus 1, 9. 4 plus 2, 6. 3 plus 5, 8. See the 8th one, children. 7005 plus 970. What is 5 plus 0? 5. 0 plus 7. 7. 0 plus 9. 9. 7. Next, 9th one. 5107 plus 5107. Next, 28. Next, 2938. Add these three. What is 8 plus 8? 16. 16 plus 7. 16 plus 7, how much? 6 plus 7, 13. So 16 plus 7, 23. Write 3 here and 2 here. Okay, here 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. Next, 9 plus 1, 10. Write 0 here and 1 up. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8. Like that you can do. Okay, I'll tell you the next sums. Tenth one. 6,378, 967, 1,045. And what is 8 plus 7, Nana? 8 plus 7, 15. What is 8 plus 7? 15. 15 plus 5, 20. Right? 0 here and 2 up. Okay. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. Right? 9 here and 1 here. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. Right? 3 here and 1 up. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. See the 11th one? 3,632, 486, 572. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Right? 0 here and 1 here. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus 7, 19. Right? 9 here and 1 here. Next, 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. Right? 6 here and 1 here. 3 plus 1, 4. Okay. See the next sum, children. 12th one. 4,309, 72, 96. See. First one, 9 plus 2. What is 9 plus 2? 10, 11. What is 9 plus 2? 11. 11 plus 6, 17. Right? 7 here and 1 here. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. Right? 7 here and 1. 3 plus 1, 4. Again, here no more number left. Now write that 4 as usual. See the next sum. 5,994, 519, 432. See that. 4 plus 9, 13. 4 plus 9, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. Right? 5 here and 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. Right? 4 here and 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. Right? 9 here and 1 here. Next, 5 plus 1, 6. Okay. See the next sum, children. 14th one. 1,978, 2,479, 3,562. See that. What is 8? What is 8 plus 9? 17. 17 plus 2, 18, 19. Write 9 here and 1 up. 7 plus 7. And here 6 plus 1, 7. 7 3 times. 7 3 is how much amount? 21. Write 1 here and 2 here. 2 plus 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. Right? 0 here and 2 here. So 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. All same models only, additions. Okay. When I am saying if you have the textbook, read the textbook. If not, write your syllabus. Okay, ma? $7,972, 8, 1,423. What is 8 plus 2? 10. 10 plus 3, 30. Write 3 here and 1 up. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Write 0 here and 1 up. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. See the 16th one now. 4,375 plus 4,375 plus 2,001 plus 10. What is 5 plus 1? 6. 7 plus 1? 8. 3. 4 plus 2? 6. Okay. See the 17th one. 1,980. 829. 41. What is 8 plus 9 plus 1? 10. Right. 0 here and 1. What is 8 plus 2? 10. 10 plus 1? 11. 11 plus 4? 15. Right. 5 here and 1 here. Next. 9 plus 1? 10. 10 plus 8? 18. Right. 8 here and 1 here. 1 plus 1? 2. Next. 18th one, children. 1,234. 4,092. 2,610. Add it. What is 2 plus 4? 6. Next 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. See the 19th one, children. 2,700. 1,976. 3,204. See 6 plus 4, 10. Right. 0 here and 1 up. 7 plus 1, 8. 9 plus 7. Here 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. Right. 8 here and 1 here. Next 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. Okay. See the next one. Twentieth one. 3,040. 1,871. 2,953. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. Right. 6 here and 1 up. 9 plus 9, 18. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. See the next one, children. 4,698. 562 here. 4 rows was given. 432. 1,972. See here. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 16 plus 3, 19. 19 plus 1, 10. 19 plus 1, 20. Here 6 left. 26. Right. 6 here and 2. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 4, 17. 17 plus 9, 26. Right. 6 here and 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Okay. See the next sum. 22nd one. 3,206. 80. 742. 5,078. See that. What is 6 plus 8? 14. 14 plus 8 plus 2, 10. 14 plus 10, 24. Right. 4 here and 2 here. Next 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 7. 7 2 is 14. Right. 4 here and 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 7, 10. Right. 0 here and 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. See the 23rd one. 4,678. 437. 509. 3,256. Add it. 8 plus 7, 15. Here 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 15, 30. Right. 0 here and 3 here. 3 plus 7, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 plus 5, 18, write 8 here and 1 up. 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 11 plus 5, 16, 16 plus 2, 18, write 8 here and 1 up. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 3, 8. Okay, see the next one children. 24th one. 46, 390, 484, 7,962. 4 plus 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, right, 2 here and 1 up. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 14 plus 8, 22, 22 plus 6, 28, right, 8 here and 2 here. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 9, 18, right, 8 here and 1 up. 7 plus 1, 8. Okay children, 4 more sums are there in this Roman. You practice it in your home. Okay. Till then, goodbye. The next session I will continue the next Roman. Goodbye ma.